Good morning, guys. Ooh, sunny. I think when you guys are watching this, it's gonna be Easter weekend. So I hope you're all having a really nice time. Now Gray's in school, it's not just bank holiday weekend for us, but it's Easter holidays. We're actually going away for a few days, which would be really nice. So let me tell you what you can expect from this vlog. This video does have a sponsor. It's sponsored by Suri, and I cannot wait to tell you about them, about the product. You may have seen some other creators talking about them because they're working with a few people at the moment, but don't let that put you off. You guys know I only work with products that I genuinely love, and honestly, I am so impressed. I then want to show you how I'm wearing my Damson Madder leopard print gilet, because I've shown it a little bit on my Instagram stories. I actually may have done like a reel by the time this video goes up, but for the YouTube audience, I haven't really shown it properly, and it's quite like a different piece for me. So I thought it'd be fun for me to show you like a few different ways that I would wear it, and show you like more close up what it is, what it looks like, sizing details. Every time I show it, I get a lot of messages and DMs about it, so I thought that would be good. And then let's go Easter egg shopping together, because I'm gonna treat myself to an Easter egg. I always wait for someone to buy me one, and they never do, and then if they do, it's never the one I actually want. So I'm gonna buy myself an Easter egg this year, and we can go have a look and see what options there are. Just starting the day with a cup of tea, and then let's get going. I had a hot cross bun for breakfast. You missed it, it was earlier, it was so good. I could totally have another one. I feel like I really missed out on hot cross buns, like growing up. It just really wasn't a thing. We didn't really like do Easter properly. We used to do like little Easter egg hunts, but I wouldn't say like Easter was a big part of my life. So I didn't really know the relevance of like a hot cross bun growing up. And I feel like I've only now really discovered them. Gray loves them, so I bought her some. They're really good, aren't they? Apparently there are a load of like really great different flavored hot cross buns that have come out this year, so I feel like I need to kind of get on that and try them. I feel like people have really strong opinions about hot cross buns, like how to eat them and how to make them, and I just like don't have these opinions, but I know that I quite like them. Okay, I'm so ready for this vlog. Let's go up to my bathroom and let's get it going. Okay, we are in my bathroom. Obviously I have a gorgeous new bathroom upstairs that I love filming in, but today we are talking about something that I genuinely love and use, so it makes sense to be in my actual bathroom, which we use every day in my family bathroom. I really enjoy that when I'm in here I can move these mirrors and like I feel like it's like a reflector. Where's the best light? Ooh, there you go. Okay, let me introduce you to Suri. You know when something aggravates you in your life, but you don't really know what aggravates you because you don't know any different, you don't know any better? That's kind of how I feel about my old electric toothbrush. I didn't know I needed this until I knew it existed. So when Suri got in touch to ask to work with me, I said I would absolutely love to try the product. And I've been testing it out for a month. It's so good. It is the most beautifully designed electric toothbrush. Now, before I continue, I have been using mine for a month, but they kindly sent one for Rich as well, which I kept in the packaging. I was like, sorry, Rich, we can't open this yet, because if I do this job, I need you guys, I need my audience to be able to experience the unboxing that I experienced when I first got this product. It's like if Apple were to make toothbrushes. Let's open it up together. So Suri described this toothbrush as the last one you'll ever need. Let me grab mine to show you. This is what it looks like. It is so beautifully designed and so functional. But I feel like in order for me to really show you how amazing this is, I need to kind of compare it with my old toothbrush. I feel like the people who designed Suri have really thought about the lifestyle of their customer and what they really need from their electric toothbrush. It's just so unique. So this is my old toothbrush. It's so much bigger, so much heavier, so much clunkier, and so much messier. I used to store my toothbrush in this holder, which I feel like so many of you could probably relate to how disgusting these things get. Oh, I'm forever cleaning them. I've seen hacks online where you put cotton wool or whatever it is. Gross, right? This is one of the things I love the most about the Suri toothbrush. It not only is like a very sleek, so super lightweight. Just everything is really, really just beautifully designed. But it comes with a mirror wall mount that is so clever, and it saves so much space. I've actually stuck mine just on the inside of my mirrored cabinet, which is where I like to keep my toothbrush, just so I can keep it super clean in the cupboard. But what this has done for me is it's like cleared so much space inside my cupboard. I've got space for like 5 more skincare products if I wanted to. Whereas before I had this like clunky charger with this clunky stand, and it took up so much space on my shelf. The battery life is also incredible, 40+ days. I haven't yet had to charge this since I started using it. But when you do have to charge it, it's so clever because it comes in this very, very sleek case. So this is perfect for travel. But to charge your toothbrush, you can charge it in this case. You can literally just plug your cord in the bottom. Or if you prefer, it also comes with this charger where you could just put the toothbrush on the little stand. Everything is just like so sleek and well thought through. Just removing this little label, this is Rich's one. So smart. The great thing about the charging travel case is it's also a UV sterilizer, so it cleans your toothbrush whilst it charges. So clever. When I first started using it, I found the brush heads a little bit firmer than my previous toothbrush heads, but I have found that that means they last much longer. They don't flatten and go all like a funny shape and spread everywhere. They're really good quality heads, so I really like that. And there's a couple of settings too, but it's really not that loud. There's no like complicated Bluetooth app you're never gonna use. None of this like messy, grubby stuff. Rich is so excited to finally be able to use his one. I'm gonna set up his little mirror mount in a minute. But if you do want a discount code for the Suri toothbrush, they have given me one for you guys. It's LilyP20, and that gives you 20% off your Suri order. I'm 100% gonna be sending this to all of my friends and family, because like I said, it's one of those things you don't realize how much you need it until you have it, and it feels pretty life-changing. Okay, let's set up Rich's mirror wall mount situation. He is gonna be over the moon to get rid of this big clunky toothbrush. Also, what's so great about the Suri toothbrush is that the body of the toothbrush is aluminium and it's repairable, and the toothbrush heads are plant-based and recyclable. So you could literally stick this and pop it on your mirror if that's where you wanted to keep your toothbrush. I think I'm gonna put Rich's just inside. Just gonna press it down. Okay, ready? So good. He's gonna be so chuffed with that. How neat does that look? Okay, this next section has taken me quite a while to prep, so it's a little bit later on in the day, but I've just spent quite a little bit bringing upstairs some pieces from my wardrobe. I find my wardrobe downstairs just a bit like squishy and hard to see everything, so I've bought some stuff up and placed it on my rail. Wait, let me just make you higher. As I mentioned, I did get the Damson Madder Leopard print gilet, and I don't know if you guys remember, but I did an Instagram reel a little while ago where I bought the blue version of this. So when I ordered that, I was thinking, oh, I would really love like a gilet like this. It would be really great as like a layered piece to just kind of level up my outfits a little bit. But then I got it, tried it on, and it just didn't really work. I put something on Instagram asking like, should I keep it, should I return it? And the comments were quite like controversial. Some people were like outraged by even the idea of it. I ended up sending it back. It wasn't quite right. It was a little bit dinner lady, but I still like the concept and the idea of a gilet like that. Not like a padded gilet to keep you warm, but almost like a waistcoat. I think where I went wrong is I was trying to try something new, but playing it safe with just a blue. I've had my eye on this one for a while, but didn't really have the confidence to think that I could pull off leopard. But I've been dabbling with a little bag, with a little headband, and seeing other people wear this and how they style it has made me realise that I think it would actually be a great piece in my wardrobe. It's not a black long sleeve top, which I would usually assume is a great thing to invest in because, oh, it's a black long sleeve top, I'll get wear out of it for years. But what I've realised is that if I don't invest in the more like special pieces, then my overall wardrobe is just quite bland. If there's too many basics, if there's too many white t-shirts and long sleeve tops and jeans, then no outfit really looks finished or put together. But by having like a few special pieces that are versatile and can be worn in many different ways, it feels like you've got a really valuable item in your wardrobe. I hope you don't mind me going into more of like the thought process, but I think it's helpful if any of you guys are like me. I'm 36, I've got 2 kids, I'm coming out of like 5 years of not knowing how to dress for my new body shape, not really knowing what style works for me and is practical with my lifestyle. I don't want to be super dressed up and fancy all the time like everyone seems to be on the internet. I'm either working or with kids or like weekends rushing around, and I want to look stylish. It's not so much I want to look stylish. I enjoy like putting an outfit together and feeling stylish, but it has to be practical, it has to be comfortable. And I definitely haven't nailed the shoe wardrobe yet. It's something I just put off all the time because I find shoes so hard. But this is exciting and I want to show you how I would wear it. And we're kind of doing this together because I've only worn it a couple of times at this point. So this is what it looks like. When I first got it, I really loved the kind of structure of it, the shape of it, the color, the print, really love it. I was not 100% sure about the ties. So how you're meant to wear it is you're meant to do 2 bows, which I do really like, but in terms of like getting the most wear out of it, I was like, oh, am I gonna always want to have 2 bows? I do wish there was almost an option to remove these and make it just like poppers or something. That would have been perfect. And I have experimented with tying it a different way, like tying the top one to the bottom one so it just hangs on the side. And I think there will be a couple of ways I can maybe do that. But I also feel like when you just leave them untied, it doesn't look the best. So today I'm gonna just tie them both in bows, but I did decide to keep it because I still think it's worth it. I ended up going for, what size did I get? Oh, it says it right there. It's a 12, so I would say it's kind of true to size. I've pulled so many things out my wardrobe, I actually don't think I'm going to show you all the different outfits because there are so many more than I realised that I could actually make it with, which is amazing. Look at all of these options of things that I think would go really well with the gilet. I'll try on some for you. The most obvious one is a long black dress. I'll show you how that looks. Something else I've been trying is over a denim jumpsuit or over dungarees, over a t-shirt with jeans, over a more like colourful knit. Like I've got this red one from Suzanne or this pink one from Hush. I'm really not afraid of wearing the leopard print, like bold print with a bright colour. I think it looks really nice. I don't think I would wear it over another print, but I would definitely wear it with a bright colour. Okay, maybe we should just start trying things on. Okay, here's a very super simple casual way that I could wear it over just a white t-shirt. This is the Arquette heavyweight t-shirt. White t-shirt I've kept on the H&M baggy jeans that I was wearing before, and then I've just got on my Adidas Sambas. So the white from the trainers kind of links to the white of the t-shirt. It's so comfortable. It's very like, it just like sits nicely. So this is what it looks like over a very like plain white t-shirt and jeans. So it's like taken a white t-shirt and jeans outfit, which I would have worn before, just a white t-shirt and jeans. All I've done is just thrown this on top and suddenly it looks like I've thought about my outfit a bit more. This one would look cool with some sunglasses. These are from Madewell. I don't know if I can pull off this shape. I'm really trying to. Just feel like when I try on sunglasses that aren't just like normal round sunglasses, I don't know. I feel like I would tie up my hair for this look because it's a bit more casual, weekend. Also, I feel like with this look, because it's so plain with the white t-shirt and the jeans, I could totally add a pop of colour with a bag. This one's from Monkey. It's a really nice way to add like red into your wardrobe if you like the idea of it but you don't want to buy red clothes. This is just a little puffy bag from Monkey. I love the red, blue, white, leopard combination. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, I think this outfit would look great with like a super red lip, which I'm not going to put on right now. But I've put it over an Arquette black t-shirt dress from last year. So this is a super simple black t-shirt dress. I think it would look really nice with a black skirt and t-shirt as well. I don't have currently a black skirt in this sort of like cotton material. I really want one. But it definitely works over the t-shirt dress. The shoes are tricky. Well, I've put Adidas Sambas because I really like that casual look. I would probably wear black socks. I've currently got blue socks on because my black socks are in the wash. But I've put trainers because I like that look where I really need to wash this dress. I never feel like 100% comfortable in a long dress or skirt, but I do like this look. Oh, okay, I like this one. This would be more for like a work event, meeting, something worky, more smart, definitely not a weekend with the kids vibe. But this is the shirt I got from Arket recently. I love that it's got the big puffy sleeves and it just makes it a little bit different. I like that it hasn't got a collar. I find collars really hard to wear. So I've put it on top of this and I really like the light blue with the leopard. I think that's really nice. It's nice that I don't have to like tuck things in when I'm wearing this. I feel like it's nice to have the things sticking out. And then I've put on some Arket jeans. These are like more of a slimmer, straight fit jean, like compared to some of my other jeans. And shoes, as always, very tricky, but I've gone for my Gucci slingback loafers. I feel like maybe they're not quite chunky enough for this because it's quite a top heavy look with the print and with the puffy sleeves. Maybe I feel a little bit top heavy in this. I'd like to balance it out a bit. And I did try these black loafers that I have, but they didn't feel right either. So again, as always, missing the right shoe. But overall, I really like this look and it feels like, sorry, the light's going in and out, but it feels like a nice way to do workwear that's like a little bit more fun. Oh, I forgot to say that I'd probably wear my Loewe puzzle bag with this because it's a bit of a smarter work bag and I think that goes really nicely. Okay, hear me out. This outfit could totally be worn with blue jeans and probably how I would wear it, but I'm trying to just not do that for every outfit. So this is the leopard print gilet over a pink knit. This is from Boden. I really love the colour with the leopard print and I've put it with a light pair. This is like an old pair of Zara jeans. I don't know, it kind of works. I definitely think I feel more comfortable in a blue pair of jeans, but was trying to give a bit more of like a spring outfit to it. I'm not sure they work. I'm gonna stick with it. I like it. It's not perfect. I'm not pretending to be perfect, but I like the overall vibe. It's lighter colours. Okay, final one, because I feel like I could keep going for ages, and it's so tricky because I can't see myself. But I've put it over a black t-shirt. This is actually from my friend's bakery, Rinkoff's Bakery. It's a Crodo t-shirt, black t-shirt, and underneath I'm wearing my, I'm just going to open this to show you, I'm wearing my monkey khaki green dungarees, which is really fun because I could always just take this off and I'd be wearing dungarees. Gonna do these up again and then I've just popped it over the dungarees and I think that totally works as well. It just makes dungarees a little bit more interesting. I'm wearing my black Adidas Sambas. It's not going to be everyone's cup of tea, I'm totally aware of that, but I'm really excited by it and I think it's a really fun piece to have in my wardrobe. And as you can see, I think it does work with many different outfits. It just adds that extra layer, which is what I think my wardrobe really needs. I really want to get a denim waistcoat, but not with like ties or anything, but just like a nice simple one that I can throw over a t-shirt, quite a thin one for summer. Okay, me, Rich and Rudy are gonna head to the supermarket. Got a couple of things I need to buy and I'm gonna check out the Easter egg aisle. Rudy, should we get an Easter egg?
Yeah.
He doesn't even know what it is. He's gonna be very excited. Okay, made it to Tesco's. Rudy did not, he fell asleep in the car, so poor Rich is having to sit in the car with him. Absolutely gonna need some of these. And I'm absolutely going to have to try one of these. Some may say it's boring, but I think this is my favourite out of the bunch. I do love orange chocolate. So these would absolutely be Rich's choice for a chocolate egg. This is what we used to get all the time as a kid. So funny, they've totally sold out of true fruit. It's just frozen fruit covered in chocolate. It's gone viral on TikTok. The shelf is totally empty, I knew it would be. I'm such a cliche right now. Okay, I'm cutting little bits of strawberry. Normally I would just dip a strawberry in melted chocolate, but because I want to try and recreate these little frozen strawberry chocolate bites, we're going to do little bit strawberry, cover them entirely in chocolate, and then freeze them. Rudy's eating all the strawberries, slight issue. Melted chocolate, really should have used dark chocolate, would have been much healthier, but I just saw this and grabbed it. So we've got some. You want some? I bet you do. I know, have a little, wait, it might be hot, okay? Have a little bit on your finger. I'm gonna use chopsticks, it feels like a good way to do it. I'm gonna get the chopsticks and I'm gonna dip in the chocolate. Oh no, it's gonna be too thick, isn't it? dip in the, these are way too big. I feel like you started with small bits of strawberry and you ended up with big bits. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put them on the foil. This is a good size. That's like what you want for a little strawberry bite of chocolate.
I want some.
I know you want some. Here you go. What can we do? Oh my God, don't start anything like that on a Friday afternoon, honestly. What was I thinking? Also, I really regret not getting dark chocolate. I feel like those are gonna be way too sickly. But anyway, I've chucked them in the freezer. Let's see. My friend Jake is coming over for dinner tonight, so they might be some nice like after dinner treats. But it's 3 o'clock. Grace's gonna be back from school in a minute. I haven't eaten any lunch, so I've just done some of these Itsu veggie gyoza, and I'm just making myself a little bit of egg fried rice. Okay, I'm gonna eat this, and I'm gonna finish this vlog because things are about to get a little bit chaotic here. I hope you guys have had a really lovely Easter weekend, and I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me today. I'll link everything that I mentioned down below, including the Suri toothbrush and the discount code and the link and everything you need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.